Hi there, everyone. I am Lenz Binispika-Yubit, one of the account executive at Pearl Lemon. For today's video, we are going to discuss replacement value method. While the book value method offers convenient determination of the company value, the limitation of the book value method is that it does not account for the full value of the net assets. Now, that would result for overage or understatement of value of the net assets recorded in the books. The National Association of Valuators and Analysts has defined the replacement cost as the cost of similar assets that have the nearest equivalent value as of the valuation date. Under this method, the value of individual assets shall be adjusted to reflect the value relative value or cost equivalent to replace that asset. The following are the factors that can affect the replacement value of an asset. First one is the age of asset. So it is important to know how old the asset is. This will enable the valuator to determine the cost related in order to upkeep a similar age asset and whether assets with similar engineering design are still available in the market. The second one is the size of assets. This is also important for fixed assets, particularly real property, where assets of similar size will be compared. Some analysts find that the assets can produce the same volume for assets of the same size. And last is competitive advantage of the asset. Here, assets which have distinct characteristics are hard to replace. However, the characteristics and capabilities of the distinct asset might be found in similar or separate assets. Some valuators combine the value of the similar, separate assets that can perform the function of the distinct asset being valued. There is a specific discipline in determining the replacement value, and the appraisers have their own technique to determine the replacement value. For example, insurance companies use the replacement value in determining the appropriate insurance premium to be charged to their clients. For instance, a company owns a building with a book value of 5 million. The estimated replacement cost is 6 million. The insurer can offer a premium to cover the insurance at 6 million. The most prudent approach for a company, that is the most prudent approach of the company. However, if the company opted to get a coverage lower than its replacement value, for example, 4 million, the insurer will only reimburse the amount covered and the company will be the one to cover for the 2 million difference. Note that the value that will be shouldered is not 1 million since 5 million less 4 million, but instead 2 million since the asset can no longer be replaced now at a 5 million amount. Thank you guys for listening. See you on the next video.